Alright guys, so here we have a 1 watt blue laser pointer from Amazon, and I just wanted to make a video of it, show y'all what y'all gonna get if y'all do order it from there. And here's another one from Amazon right here. It was about 20 bucks. It's a green one. I can show you how that one is. Okay. Now we got the big dog. As you can see there, 1000 milliwatt, 1 watt. No focus, no adjustable beam, no focus. Just straight turn on and burn. Give it another try. The batteries are not fully charged. This is straight out the box. Actually, it looked like it broke it. It was too fragile. What happened was it actually broke it off. It's actually burning it instead of lighting it. It does come with 5 tips, so it has a little nice projection show. I'm just going to show you one for the video, and here it is.